Fixing the AEG Dishwasher i30 error code is simpler than it looks once you understand what's actually causing it. The i30 code usually shows up when the machine detects a water leak inside, and the built-in flood protection system shuts everything down to prevent further damage. If your dishwasher won't start and you keep seeing that i30 error, here's exactly what to do to get things working again without stressing over expensive repairs. First, what triggers the i30 error? It activates when water collects in the base tray at the bottom of the dishwasher. That can happen from a leak inside the machine, a faulty inlet valve that keeps letting water in even when it's off, or a worn-out door seal dripping water slowly over time. Even a tiny leak can trip the sensor, so don't assume the issue has to be major. Now, let's go through the steps to fix it the safe and easy way. Step 1. Unplug the dishwasher. Always disconnect the power before you do anything else to avoid shocks. Next, drain the trapped water. Pull the dishwasher out from under the counter so you can reach the bottom. Tilt it backwards at about a 45-degree angle to let the water in the base tray flow out. You can use a towel or sponge to soak up any remaining moisture to make sure the tray is completely dry, because even a small amount of leftover water can trigger the sensor again. Once the water is out, look for obvious leaks. Inspect the door seals, hoses, joints, and the underside of the machine carefully. If you see anything loose, cracked, or dripping, that part will likely need tightening or replacing. Take your time here, because small leaks are easy to miss. Now check the inlet valve. A faulty valve can slowly let water enter even when the dishwasher is off, building up moisture in the tray and triggering the flood sensor every few hours. Replacing the valve usually solves recurring i30 issues. As a temporary workaround, you can shut off the water supply after each cycle, but this is only a short-term fix and not reliable for long-term use. It won't stop the problem entirely if the valve is malfunctioning. Also keep in mind that if you forget to shut it off or if there's a power outage, the machine could fill and leak again unexpectedly. Quick tip, sometimes simply draining the base tray and letting everything dry out for several hours is enough to reset the sensor and get the dishwasher running normally again. You can speed this up by leaving the door cracked open to help airflow. But if the error keeps returning even after drying, cleaning, and checking seals, the issue points to a deeper mechanical problem like worn hoses, a cracked tub, or an internal seal. Failure. In that case, calling a technician is definitely the safest option before the leak gets worse and causes damage to your floors or cabinets.